Hello Arkesel users, in this tutorial we'll show you how to recharge your Arkesel account. Arkesel offers two types of balance, the main balance and the SMS balance. The main balance is used for sending SMS to foreign numbers and voice SMS, while the SMS balance is for sending messages to local numbers. Once you're logged in, let's begin with recharging our SMS balance. To start, locate the recharge option on your Arkesel dashboard and select Purchase SMS Plan. Here you'll see a list of SMS plans Arkesel offers. It includes an expiry SMS plan valid for 3 months and a non-expiry SMS plan. To see details about a plan, click the View Features button next to an offer to learn more about it. After reviewing an offer, let's move on to purchase it. Click the Purchase button, select your preferred payment method, and follow the prompts to provide payment details. Note: for your first purchase, Arkesel will require you to provide an identification document. Your ID is only for verification and accountability purposes. Arkesel does not share your information with third parties or any public entities. After completing your details, review your order and confirm the purchase. Now that you know how to recharge your SMS balance, let's go ahead to recharge our main balance. Again, locate the recharge option on your Arkesel dashboard and this time select Balance Top Up. Unlike the SMS balance where you get an SMS plan, here you'll first specify the amount of credit you would like to purchase for your main balance. Next, select your preferred payment method. Follow the prompts to provide payment details. Review your order and confirm the purchase. Give your purchase at least 5 minutes to reflect in your account, and congratulations! You've successfully recharged your account on Arkesel. Remember, the main balance is charged when SMS is sent to an international number and for sending voice SMS, while the SMS balance is for local messages. Feel free to explore more features on the Arkesel platform and keep enjoying seamless communication. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to contact Arkesel's customer support. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.